So we made it back from our trip, and about a 4-hour one-way ride to go get this thing. But as you've probably already seen, we bought a now people are going to call it a deuce nav, but it's not technically a deuce nav. It's a M54 5-ton. It's a 1968. They're kind of just put together for, now could be wrong, but I want to say Vietnam War. I'd have to double check on that. I'm not 100% up to date on all of that, but it's got 10 new tires, it runs good, and according to the guys we bought it from, it will dump whatever you can put in the bed, and it will haul it as well. Brakes work, steering's power, motor sounds pretty healthy. So yeah, it's got some new hydraulic parts here. They pull a new valve on it with a cable actuator to raise and lower the bed. 2 fuel tanks, 6-wheel drive. It's got the multi-fuel turbocharged engine in it. It's not a powerhouse, but I need it for going up and down that mountain and moving material around, and, you know, make a pretty good site truck too. But anyway, let's get right into this. So I haven't even owned the thing for 24 hours yet, and we already gotta fix something. Don't know if it's a good or a bad sign. Hopefully this is the only thing we gotta fix, but one of the it's a 24-volt system, and one of the battery terminals, I don't know if it wasn't tight enough or what, but looks like it's been melted for a little while here. I don't think I did that, but it's got new batteries in it, so I had a terminal, so I just kind of put this together. So we should get this up and running pretty easily. It's really nice. They got this nice poly tray that you can kind of just click in here. You know, I'm looking at this. I'm gonna have to revisit some of this stuff. I mean, I guess that's okay for now. But anyway, yeah, let's get this snugged down and see if we can get her going, because gotta move it, because I kind of parked in a stupid spot. But anyway, let's get this tightened down and see what happens. While we're here, yep, that one's good. That one's, let's try and get a little more tight. Get that one tightened up. Ooh. Well, I figured that was gonna happen. Okay. Well, this might be a trending thing. All right, broke the bolt on that, so we gotta go get another bolt and a punch to run that through. 5/16 bolt, and I forgot the punch. Well, let's see if we can do it without. The shop's not that far away, but you know, why make an extra trip? Oh yeah, worked it right out of there. Okay. This bolt may be too long, maybe not. All right, got that. Use a lock washer, maybe, yeah. Okay, spin our nut on there. much better. Alright, we got the batteries fixed. Let's see if we can get this old girl to kick. Yesterday it didn't start nearly as good. We picked it up, but yeah. So, all right. Well, we've got 43,500 miles, 2,400 hours. Got a heater. Power steering's pretty nice. Wheel that around easily. Don't know how to work the lights. I've been switching all sorts of things here and none of them seem to do anything. It's got an intake heater. I'm not exactly sure how it works. It seems to work, but I don't know how it works. Yeah, we got that. There's a lot of learning to do with this, but we got our transfer gauge here for high and low. The 5-speed. This is that new shifter for the new cable linkage for the dump body. We got air-powered wipers. They're pretty cool. They try to work. I mean, might just take a little tinkering, but all right. Well, let's move this thing. The other big concern is it's very tight in here. I mean, it's hard for me to get the clutch. So, but that's okay. We could adjust something and make it work better. Take this thing for a quick ride up the mountain. Alright, it's next morning. It got a little colder, so hopefully it's a little bit more firm up on the mountain. I'm gonna take this thing up and try and get some firewood brought down. See how it goes. Good thing it's got high pinion axles. Can't really hurt anything under there. Alright, so this is all this firewood. I split this up in about an hour yesterday, so I'm going to load all this on the truck. We got some snow coming, so I'd rather have it down at the house than up here. So we'll set you up on a time lapse and we'll get this loaded up real quick. Quite a bit of firewood in here. I really need to get a different type of grapple. I mean, this isn't how I'm going to do this all the time. My goal is to eventually have a conveyor to load the truck somewhere probably down in that area there. I want to set up like a wood processing area, be able to bring all the logs there and run them through a processor and load them up into the truck, or even just make a bin with a roof over it, and I'll leave like the backhoe up here or something to load. Because as you can see, the grapple's kind of, I mean, I think I'm pretty versed with it. I'm able to make it work, but it can get frustrating at times. So yeah, let's get this tarp and we'll head back down the hill. Alright, well we made it up and down the mountain safely with a full load of firewood here. I think that's going to kind of wrap this video up for now. But I expect to see a lot of use from this truck in the future. I got, like I said, a lot of dirt up there to move, and I think that's going to be the best way to do it. Before I was using the track loader and carrying it or pushing it, and that's just, it works, but it's not as efficient. So being able to actually load it in a truck and move it further distance is going to be pretty helpful. And as far as I can tell, this truck seems to be pretty solid, other than not liking mud, which I kind of write that off the tires. I mean, you look at them, they're smooth center and they got deep sidewall grooves, but I feel like the front tire pattern's a little bit better. But anyway, we'll probably go through this thing and we'll service it and grease it and all that good stuff, but I'll probably make that a separate video. I just wanted to kind of showcase this because I think this is kind of a cool piece of equipment and you know, history in a way. So anyway, look forward to seeing it in some future videos, and we'll leave it here for now.